One of the wealthiest companies in the world, has agreed to pay more than $20 million in a lawsuit after the company allegedly polluted water in Morrow County. Joe Ranieri joins us from the newsroom. Joe, some of the residents there say they feel this impact every day.
Yeah, some residents can't even use their drinking water because they say it's caused them some headaches and some health issues. All because, according to the lawsuit, Amazon was contributing to nitrate pollution by trying to cool the company's computers at their data centers.
$20.5 million is what Amazon will pay directly to homeowners in Morrow County to help them get access to cleaner water.
It will be set up as relief for homeowners who are drinking water out of wells that are above the federal limit, right? If you've got a well that's above 10 parts per million, and sadly, we've got thousands of them up here.
For years, residents along this portion of the Columbia River have dealt with nitrates getting into their water.
And it goes into the ground from many sources, the food processing that goes on up here and these things. And then the wastewater gets spread out on the farms up gradient of these houses and homes. And it percolates down into the groundwater.
Jim Doherty, who's a cattle rancher in Boardman, says the nitrate levels have increased dangerously high because of the Amazon data centers in the area.
The challenge is when it comes, it gets heated up and concentrated, and so it comes out many times higher in nitrates.
An Amazon spokesperson disputes that claim, saying in a statement, "Communities in Eastern Oregon have faced groundwater quality issues for decades, long before we opened our data centers. The Amazon data center uses water from the Port of Morrow to help them cool their computers." Doherty believes the polluted water has led to people in the community getting sick.
Kidney failure and miscarriages, and there's folks that have water now out here that's 100 parts per million.
Amazon went on to add, "Our data centers draw from the same water supply as other local residents. We don't add nitrates to that water, and the water we return represents a very small fraction of the region's overall system."
I would presume
residents like Doherty feel like there should be more.
And this, I think, is like I say, just a down payment. It's just the beginning, and these folks didn't pollute their own wells.
To help the community that he says are feeling the impacts.
Now, Tim, I also reached out to Steve Berman. He's one of the co-counsels representing the plaintiffs. He said this in a statement: "We appreciate Amazon taking the first step towards solving the nitrate pollution problem, but the work is far from over." He added that the parties that contributed to this problem have a responsibility to come forward and help resolve these issues. Tim, back to you.
Joe, thank you.